Good morning, Legion. Some solid moves on the near side to start with, then a couple of AI stories. As per usual, let's dive right into it. Kicking things off, the first real-world asset went live on Near Intense a couple of weeks ago. Tether Gold is now available on Near.com. It's backed one-to-one by physical gold and sits with more than 3.3 billion in TVL. Real-world assets coming on chain has been one of the loudest narratives this year, and gold being the first to land on Intense sets the table for what might come next. Let's see. Staying with Intense, PingPay subscriptions just went live in beta. PingPay is a near-native project built by a great founder, Jay, and the product is exactly what it sounds like, recurring crypto payments. Merchants accept subscription-style payments, and on the user side, the funds come straight out of your Intense account. No upfront locks, cancel at any time. If you've been waiting for the Web3 version of a standard subscription flow, this is it. High hopes on this rollout. Beyond product, the IRL events kept moving too. Build Buddies and Near Legion Indonesia ran their first meetup in Surabaya. AI and blockchain on the agenda with conversations around Near and Ironclaw, plus updates on Metapool's Node Studio program. Good to see the on-the-ground community keep expanding. There was also a wonderful event this past weekend in Tokyo that also featured Ironclaw and Near AI. The AI conversations there were timed well because the AI side has been busy. OpenAI is reportedly working on a phone, which according to analyst Ming-Chi Kuo, they're partnering with MediaTek and Qualcomm on the chip, with Luxshare on co-design and manufacturing. The pitch is what you'd expect by now, and it's something that Ilya has been saying for almost 2 years. Instead of apps, AI agents handle the tasks. The reasoning behind owning the hardware is the interesting part. Right now, Apple and Google control the app pipeline and what kind of system access apps get. By shipping its own device, OpenAI can route everything through agents without those restrictions and get continuous context on the user. Mass production is targeted for 2028 with specs locked in by early 2027. This is on top of the earbuds OpenAI has already said is coming later this year. Overall, folks, the question that matters is whose stack AI runs on in the future and whether you can verify what your AI did. That's the gap Near AI and Ironclaw fill. Ironclaw today continues to improve week over week. It runs the agents itself in a sandbox environment with cryptographic verification so that you can prove exactly what the agent had access to and what it actually executed. Spin up your Ironclaw agent at agent.near.ai. That's all for today. We'll do this all again real soon.